Life and business is like the changing seasons. Winter follows fall. Spring follows winter. Summer, harvest. The seasons are set. You cannot change those. But here's what you can do. You can change yourself. Learn how to handle the winters. The winters always come. All of us can become wiser than we were yesterday, wiser than we were last week, wiser than we were a month ago. You're going to leave here wiser because you've been here for these few days, listening to the testimonials, listening to the training. You'll be wiser because you've met each other. You will remember this occasion, and you'll remember what you heard, and you'll remember what you saw, and you'll remember how you felt, and it will sustain you. Look how many people have been attracted at this level to the Herbalife opportunity. Learn to take advantage of the spring. Spring is called opportunity. Winter doesn't last forever. Spring always comes. There's just a handful of spring that's been given to each of us. Take advantage of every one. At the longest, life is brief. So take advantage of every meeting. Take advantage of every opportunity to talk to someone. Take advantage of every chance to express yourself and give someone a chance to join the Herbalife opportunity. Learn to value life in all of its precious moments. Take notes. Lean forward. Get everything you can while the opportunity is here, because the window opens and then it closes. So every time the sun comes up, take advantage of that day, because life is brief at the longest. The third season is the season of summer. Two things are important in the season of summer. Number one, and that is to give life to your value. Give life. If you've planted a garden, now you've got to give it nourishment. Give life to your value. Once you've got an Herbalife customer, now you've got to give them life by giving them your attention. Giving someone not just your time, but your attention. Like a mother that gives life to a baby. Now she nourishes it. Now she feeds it. Now she takes care of it. If you've been so fortunate as to have now an Herbalife organization, I'm asking you to breathe life into it like a mother. Nourish it and feed it like a mother. Put everything you've got into everything you do. Believe in each other. Believe in each other. Believe in Herbalife and its opportunity for the future. Believe. And here's the last season, the season of harvest. Harvest does not come to those who did not plant all those months ago called the spring. Harvest does not come to those that hope. Harvest does not come to those that wish. Harvest does not come to those who have their fingers crossed. Harvest only comes to those that have planted, that did the job, that told the story, that gave the invitations, that conducted the meeting. If you'll take the risk and talk, if you'll take the risk and go, if you'll take the risk and serve, if you'll take the risk and give an opportunity to someone, if you'll take a risk and get on an airplane, if you'll take a risk and go see the people, if you'll take a risk and conduct a meeting, I promise you, as time unfolds, your harvest will come. The lesson of the season. The lesson of the season. One is to hang in there when the nights are long. Hang in there when the winters are tough. Number two, take advantage of the spring. Take advantage of a chance to hand somebody the Herbalife opportunity and see what kind of miracle might come from that. Take advantage. And number three, in the summer, look over your organization like a shepherd would look over the flock, the sheep. Take care of it as a leader should. Here's the key phrase in Herbalife. Let your distributors borrow your eyes to see into the future. Things they cannot at first see. Borrow your eyes. Let them borrow your vision. I remember when Mark said we're going to do 400 million. I said, Mark, are you going to say it publicly? He said, Yes. I said, Mark, are you going to ask me to say it? Yes, he said, I'm going to ask you to say it publicly. We're going to get to 400 million. I said, Mark, I'm not sure I can see it. He said, borrow my eyes.
It's going to get even bigger and better, and the dreams are going to get bigger than you ever imagined.
Learn the lesson of the season. You cannot change the season. They are static. But here's what you can do. You can change yourself.